Hello, Pine Tar Academy families. Coach Rick here, bringing you a lesson that you can do when you can't get out of the house. You can use your garage, you can use your backyard. If you can't make it to the ball field, do what you can. Today we're going to talk about sacrifice bunting. That is a lost art. If you know how to bunt, it can help you win games, it can help you keep you in games, and it can help you make a team, and it'll help your team. So today we're going to go over the fundamentals of the sacrifice bunt. First of all is the grip. Do not grip it around the barrel. You can hurt your fingers if you mishit it. So what we teach is to do the pinch. So you're pinching behind the barrel, okay? So let's show the stance for the sacrifice. Whether you're right-handed or left-handed, it's the same. They used to teach to square around, but things can happen with this that aren't good. Number one, you can step on home plate. If you make contact, you're out. The other thing is, if somebody's throwing really hard, you can't get out of the way of the ball. So here's the proper way to do it. You get in your stance, you get ready, and then as you square, you pivot out a little bit like this, okay? You want to have the barrel of the bat, you want to have that at the top of the strike zone. And you also have to be athletic so you can bend your knees to go get the ball. And when the ball comes in, you want to catch it. You don't want to do this, you don't want to jab at it, because only bad things can happen. Pop it up, you could totally miss it. Okay, so again, you want to take your sign, you want to get in the box, and you want to just pivot out a little bit, get that at the top of the strike zone. If the pitch comes in above that, you let it go. It's a ball, right? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. When you're going down the third base line, if that's where you want to put it, you want to have that bat right here, and this elbow is in more, okay? So we're going to have a pitch like that. I just let it catch. Okay, let's try that one more time. Let it catch the bat. Okay. Now, if you want to go down the first base line, it's very similar, except this elbow goes out. Top of the strike zone. Just let it catch the bat. Okay. So just to review, you want to have the proper grip on the bat with the pinch. You want to make sure that you pivot outwards. You're not jabbing and lunging. You let it come to you and you just let it catch the bat. And then after that, you've done your job. You've helped the team. This has been Coach Rick with the tip you can do at home. And if you enjoyed this, please check out PineTarAcademy.com or check us out on Twitter.